Okay, we're gonna find a min and max point, so I'm gonna use this max, pi over 2 and 1. Okay, and we'll use this min. This is 7 pi over 2 and negative 3. Okay, so my vertical shift is going to be the middle of the average position of the max and min. So it's going to be at negative 1. There's my middle. Okay, just going to make sure that's highlighted. My period is going to be, my amplitude is going to be half of the distance between the two. So I want distance, so I'm going to subtract 1 minus negative 3 divided by 2, and I want the absolute value of that. So it's going to be 4 divided by 2, or 2, and notice that, yeah, my amplitude is 2. Okay, so there's my amplitude. My period is going to be double this length. So the length from here to here is going to be a distance. So I'm going to subtract 7 pi over 2 minus pi over 2. And I want to double it because that only gives me 2 quadrants. Okay, it gives me 1 quadrant here, 2 quadrants. It doesn't give me the full graph. So this ends up being 6 pi, I think. 7 minus 1 times 2. Yeah, 6 pi. So there's my period. I want to solve for b. So it's going to be 2 pi over the period. So my b value is divide by 3, or horizontal expansion by 3. The last thing is my horizontal shift. Now it doesn't say use sine or cos, so I'm going to use cos because I have the choice. If I'm going to use cos, I can use that horizontal shift, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so the horizontal shift for cos, and it'd be different if I use sine, but my horizontal shift for cos is positive pi over 2. So there we have all the pieces I need to write this equation. Y equals my amplitude 2, cosine graph. My horizontal compression factor or expansion factor is 3, so I'm dividing by 3. My horizontal shift is to the right pi over 2, so I'm going to go minus pi over 2. Okay, and then my vertical shift is going to be down 1. So there it is. There's my equation.